7 daily candles, like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this distance, let's use this distance. This distance, you see. Let me change the color. White and thick. Okay, so this distance, yeah, is the same distance. So that's 1.5 million times 2. Around 3 million, guys, for these two big trades, 50-50. Forget about the 0.20 for $10 account. We're talking about the 50-50. So that's around 3 million Kenyan shillings if you hold the trade for 1 week. If you are patient enough, if you hold that trade up to this level, you will get 3 million profit with the 2 trades. But if you hold this one for $10 account, you will get $50, you can see. Yes, my people, it's your mentor Abissons, and I'm back with another video. So finally, the most requested video is here, guys, all right? So most people have been asking me to do a video of how to trade on Deriv MT5, and that is exactly what I'm going to do in this video, all right? So in this video, I will also be showing you how to create Deriv MT5 account, how to download and connect MT5 to your Deriv account in your PC and your smartphone. Then number 3, I'll be showing you how to fund money in your MT5 account. Then the last one is how to trade on Deriv MT5 platform, all right? So if you want to learn how to do all these things, then make sure you watch this video to the end. And in case you are watching from this channel, or you have been watching from this channel and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified, all right? So you have 5 seconds to subscribe. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now let's jump into the video. All right, welcome back, guys. So now let's begin. So for you to have an MT5 account, first of all, you need to have a Deriv account. So in case you don't have a Deriv account, you can create one with the link in the description or in the comment section so that you can create your MT5 account. You must have a Deriv account for you to create your MT5 account, all right? So if you have already created your Deriv account, now this is what to do next, right? So this is my live account. So since I already have my MT5 account, I'll have to shift to the demo account because I don't have a demo MT5 account. So I'll be showing you a demo MT5 account. So I'll be showing you how to create the MT5 and also how to connect with your Deriv account. So you go to your account balance here, then you shift to demo, then you click on demo like that. All right, so after that, now we are on demo account. So after that, go to Traders Hub, straight to Traders Hub. Then you'll find yourself in this tab here, all right? So when you get to this tab, okay, you'll see you have a lot of things here, and most beginners get confused when they get here, all right? So this is the Deriv Trader, okay? Deriv Trader platform. So you can click here and go back to where you are. But if you want to go to the MT5, they are here at the CFDs tab here. So this is the Deriv MT5 account. So you can see I don't have a demo. I only have Deriv Trader demo account. That's why we have this total balance of 20,000 USD because of the balance we also have in the D trader, right? So we want to open a Deriv MT5, okay, a demo MT5. So this one, you choose a standard account, right? We have a swap free, zero spread, financial, standard. So you can create any of the any of these because maybe you'd like to trade the currency pairs. So this is the T5 account for currency pairs. So if you are that person who likes trading maybe Euro USD, GBP USD, or even gold and all that, you can create this one. This is good for you, right? For me, I love trading synthetic indices a lot, and synthetic indices is not available in this one. So it's only available in this one, and this one. But this one is the one I recommend to everyone, all right? Standard account. So for you to create a standard MT5 account, you just click on get, like this, get. Then you click here. Then you choose a password, a strong password that you can never forget. So let me put mine. After that, you add account. You click on add account. Boom. Then you'll see your demo Deriv MT5 standard account is ready. So you click on continue. Okay. It's just the same with the live. If you open the live account, it will tell you the same thing. So the same process. So after that, you now go to open. Okay. So now we are going to how to download and connect MT5 to your Deriv account, right? So now you want to connect MT5 with this account. So you can see we already have MT5 account. Now we click on open and you can see the details. So these are the details you will use to log in your MT5 account, all right? So the next step is to download the MT5, all right? So that you can log in with these details, all right? So first of all, I'll show you how to download with the PC. Then I'll show you how to download in the smartphone. Then I'll show you how you connect them. So first of all, you download here. For the PC users, you download here, all right? So after that, you click on download, then it will start downloading, all right? After that, you install, all right? You install, all right? You install, then you click on yes. Then click on next, and it will start installing, all right? So now let me show you how to download on your smartphone when this one is installing, okay? So let me share my screen. Let me share my screen, all right? So I hope you can see my screen, all right? I hope you can see my screen. So now we are in the Play Store, right? So now I go to search here, then I search Deriv MT5. Then, sorry, not Deriv MT5, just MT5, all right? MT5. So this one, this app, okay? Then you click on install, right? So now it is installing. You can see it is installing, right? So let's see which one will install first. Let's see which one will install first, right? I can see we are going to start with the smartphone, right? Smartphone users, all right? So after that, you click on open, all right? Then you accept terms and conditions. Then you can decide to open a demo account, but don't want this one. I just click on this one. I close the tab, click on X. Then I put my broker. So you'll go here. So let me go back here. You'll go here, then you click on open to get your details. All right. So these are the login details. So first of all, this is the broker, the company. Okay. So find your broker here. So you click on these ones, these details. If you are using a smartphone, you can just copy. Okay. All right. So you search Deriv.com limited. Here it is, this one, Deriv.com limited. Then after that, I'll put the login ID, this one. I put it here. So 402.12315. Then the server, make sure you put the correct details. The server is Deriv demo, it's correct. You can see we have a lot of servers here. So I choose Deriv demo, then the password, okay? So after putting my password, now I click on log in. Boom, you can see now the Deriv account is connected successfully, right? So now we can trade. We can now start trading, all right? So I'll show you how to do the settings later while showing you how to trade, all right? So now let's do the same with the PC, all right? So for the PC, I hope we have already it is already downloaded. So just click here like that. So Deriv.com limited. So this is the company. Now you click on next. Then you come here, connect with an existing trade account. Click on home like that. Then the login details. So you come back to your Deriv account. So this is the server, right? This is the server and this is the login ID. So I'll copy login ID. Then I go back and put it here, paste. Then the password. Sorry, first of all, I make sure the server is on the right one. Then I put the password. So I've put everything, I've put all the details required correctly. I have to confirm, all right? 402 and 15. So you make sure everything is correct before you click on finish. Wait for the sound. That's a bad sound. That means it is not connected. Maybe I've put the wrong details. Maybe the problem is in this password. If you put the correct details, you will hear a different sound from that one. Okay. So if you hear this one is a warning sound. That's a warning sound. So let me do again. So in case you get yourself in that situation, just go here. You don't need to worry. Click on file. Then you go to login to trade account. All right. You'll get it here. All right. So now I'll just correct the password. I'll put the password again. All right. I'll put the password again. Let me see. Good. Now it is connected. Now it is connected. So that sound, if you hear that sound, just know that it is connected successfully. All right. Yeah. So the login was successful. Now, I will show you how to do the settings here before you start trading. All right. Before you start trading, before I show you how to fund the account, you need to set this on. So first of all, you close all these tabs. Then come here. You can also close this one and also this one. All right. So after closing all that, you come here. You can search for the pairs you want to trade or the synthetic indices. Like, let me search for volatility 101S. I'm looking for 101S. That's my favorite. So we have 100 here. Boom. After that, you click on anywhere like here, right? Then it will save itself there. Then you click on it. Then you right click. Then you go to chat window. Boom. Then it will open. All right. I hope you have seen that. Let me start again for beginners who don't know how to do this. First of all, you search for the volatility indices. Oh, sorry, vola. Well, let's take volatility 75. Boom, plain. After that, you click here. Then it will save itself. You can see now there are two. All right. You can also remove these ones if you want to. Just hide, hide, because I don't use them. But if you use them, just leave them. Now they are closed because I'm recording this video on a Sunday. They are closed, all right? The live currency pairs are closed. So these ones are open, all right? So if you want to open the chart or open this pair, I mean these indices, you just right click, then chat window will open, all right? Then you put the full screen like this, right? After posting the full screen, now you can put this one like this so that you get the full screen, or you can also close it. All right. So now you need to do the settings. Yeah, all right. You need to do the settings. So you click here, you go to properties, then you go to grid, change black. You'll see they're changing here. Okay. So it was, I don't know which color it was. So you can see the grids, these ones here. So for you to remove them, you can go here to put them off like this, all right? Or in the colors, you can just change the color to black. You can see it's now disappeared because everything is black. Then you leave these ones like this: background black, foreground white. Okay, grid black, bar up is the bias candle, green. Then you can see bull candle is the same as bar up candle. Okay, so you change it to green also, lime. Okay, yeah, so bull, change it to this one, lime. You can see now it is green. Then same to bear candle, change it to red. You can see red. Then bear, sorry, then bar down candle. You can see it is green. There are the sides. So now you change to red as well. Red. So you change it to red, green. So now you can see it here. Then to remove this one, these things here. See this one? This one. You go to show. Then I think it is tick volumes. You put it off. It's gone. All right. Then grid off. All right. Then ask price on. That's the line that will show you the ask price. Okay. Then after that, trade levels on trade history, you can put them off. Put this one off. So you do the setting exactly the way I've done mine. Right. Then the colors, yeah, good. Then you click on OK. Now you can see the chart is very clean, right? The chart is very clean. After that, you can see the chart is squeezed at the corner, and I'm trying to push it back. It is not coming, right? So just right click, you go to chart shift, yeah, that one. All right, so let's do the same in the smartphone, right? Yeah, let's do the same in the smartphone. I've not forgotten the smartphone users. Let me share my screen, all right? So this is my screen. I hope you can see my screen. So now this is my MT5 account in the smartphone, right? So for you to do the settings, you just tap anywhere. If you tap here, 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 anywhere you tap, you'll see this circle. Okay, that's the menu circle. So this menu circle, after it appears like that, you just go to settings here. This go straight to colors. So all you need to change is the grid. You come to grid and put it black. Then you save. Boom. After saving, then you go to, you check this one, trade history, put off, trade orders on, trade positions on, last price line on, like that. Okay, so put the settings exactly the way I've put them. Alright, so if you go back, you'll see the chart is now clean, pure black, no grids. Alright, hakuna masengenge. So after that, you can now start trading. Alright, you can now start trading. Right, so for you to add the synthetic index or the indices, you just click on quotes, like that, quotes, then plus, then you go to volatility indices, or if you trade boom and crash, you go to crash boom indices, like that. So if you want to add volatility indices, just click on that, then you can add any index that you want. So if you touch any of them, it will disappear from here and go to your chart. Now let's click 101S, boom, that's disappeared. 75, boom, that's disappeared. 25, boom, that's disappeared. Those are my favorites, and it's good for small account, especially 101S. So after that, you can see them here, the three of them. Now you just touch the 101S like that, then you go to chart, click on chart, then it will open the chart like that. Okay, like that. All right, so this is our 5 minutes time frame. For you to change the time frame, you can click here, the top, change to 15, maybe H4, or even you can just tap like this and get the menu, the circle menu. Then you click on H4 like that, tap again, 15, tap again. You change with that circle menu or here. So for you to fund the account, we just go here. Let's go to live. Let's go to live account. Let me close this one. Then I go to shift to real account. For you to fund your real account, so I have swap free account here. So the standard and the swap free. So let me transfer to this swap free. So you click on transfer. You click on transfer. Then you can now put the amount you want to transfer to the account, like $10. Then you transfer. Okay, so when you transfer, it goes into your MT5 account. After that, you go to your MT5 and start trading. Then after making good money, good profit, you transfer it back. Okay, you go to transfer, like that, just click on transfer again. Then you change this one from to, so you want to transfer money from swap free account or MT5 account to our Deriv dollar account. So now you change like this, just shift, then not that one, this account, swap free account, then you put the $10 amount, then you transfer it back, then it goes back to your Deriv account. Okay, so that's how to fund your MT5 account. So after that, let me start with the phone. Let me teach you how to place trades with the smartphone. Okay, then you go and finish with the PC. So with the smartphone, I've already shown you how to change the time frame. So let's go to 1 minute so that you can use it to for good example, right? So if you want to place a trade, first of all, you analyze the market. So for you to analyze the market, you just click on, you just tap to get this circle menu. Then you click on these shapes here. Boom. Then you get the drawing tools. All the drawing tools you need. Okay. So for you to add the tools, you click on plus. You can see we have all of them here. All right. So the trend line is here. You can see this is the trend line. All right. So this is a trend line. Okay. Yeah. This is a trend line. Okay. So after that, this is now my analysis. So this is the analysis. So we can sell, right? So for you to place a trade, you just click on this thing here at the top right. Boom. Then you'll see this appear. The sell and the buy button. Right? The sell and the buy button. Right? So where do you think the price will go? So I can see it has broken our trend line, but let's go to the shapes again and look for rectangle, right? So this is a rectangle. Okay, so it is in red. I can change the color by just tapping the shapes again. Click on this M1 rectangle. This M1 because it is in the 1 minute time frame. That's why it's written M1 rectangle. After that, you click on the color red and change maybe to white, then the pixel to make it thicker, 3, then save. Then you go back to the chart. You can see it is now thick, right? So it is now thick and visible. So I can just put it here. Yeah, you can see the price is also respecting our trend line. All right, so now it has come back to inside our trend line. Now let's sell. So before you sell, you make sure you understand this lot size, right? Because if you put a big lot size, you might blow your account. So the minimum lot size here is 0.20, right? 0 or 0.2. So you can now sell. That's the minimum. Then if you are new to the platform, they will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. So you accept. So they will not ask you again. So now you can sell. So if you click on the sell, it will place the trade immediately. So now this is where the panic comes in, the fear. The traders, when they place trades, they start panicking when the price goes against their trades. You can see we are in red. So that means when the price goes against you, you lose money, right? But when the price goes in your direction, you gain profit, right? So now you can see we have placed a downtrend, but the price is going up. So I think it is not ready to go down. Okay. But the good thing about this MT5 trading is that you can close the trade anytime you want. You can open the trade anytime you want. Okay. So here I can hold this trade for even 1 year if I want to. Yes, you can hold a trade in this platform for from seconds to minutes to hours, days, weeks, months, years. That's why you have this time frame. You can see we have 1 month time frame. You can see this is a 1 month time frame. So one candlestick here is a 1 month candlestick. It opened and closed. It opened in the first of the month and opened and closed at the end of the month. Now this candlestick you are seeing here, this green one, today is on 29th, tomorrow is on 30th. So it will close tomorrow and open another one. Then we have a weekly time frame. You can see this is a weekly time frame. So the market was going up. So now you can see this candle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks, the market going up. For 6 good weeks, the market has been going up. So that simply means if you could have placed your trade here at the bottom, then you could have just hold that trade all the way up without closing it. But you can decide to close it anytime you want. Even if it reaches somewhere here, you can close it. Here, you can close it. Here, you can close it. Or decide to wait for it to come up to this level. Okay? Yeah. That may be like December. It will reach here on December. You can decide to wait. Alright? So that's the good thing about this MT5 trading. It is not like the binary options where we have time limit. If the trade, if the time expires when your trade is in the opposite side, you lose. If it is the correct side, you win. No, with this one, if the market is in the opposite side, yes, it deducts your money slowly by slowly. So now you can see it has already, we have already lost 0.03. Now you can just wait for it until it turns green. Now that means it is now trying to go into our direction. Okay, you can see if it crosses that line, we turn into profit. You see, so the more it goes down, so we have placed a sell trade. The more it goes down, the more profit we get. All right, but the more it goes up against our direction, the more we lose. Okay, so that means, let me show you. So you can put your TP. Okay, this is the TP, the take profit. So you can see when it reaches here, we will earn $2. You can see we will earn $2 because I've placed the small lot size, the minimum lot size, because it is good for small account, like a $10 account. Yeah, you can use this lot size with a $10 account. All right. So for you to get $2, it must come up to this level. The market should come up to this level. It doesn't matter how long it will take, but as long as it reaches at this level, as long as you analyze your market correctly and believe in your analysis and believe that the market will drop and drop and drop, you just be patient and wait for it to reach at that level. And when it hit that line, you'll get your $2 profit. It will just close the trade immediately, automatically. And then the money will be credited into your MT5 account. So we will do an example here, guys, for beginners who are very, very new to this MT5 platform, right? So this is how you set your TP. So if you put it here, first of all, let me start. You just come here, you tap that line, that sell line, that entry line. You tap on it like that, then this thing will appear. You click on TP, TP, then it will appear, okay? Then if it appears like that, you drag it to the direction of your trade, okay? So we took a sell trade. So that means we are expecting the price to go down. So you can put your target. You can target anywhere. You can put it here, here, or here. So let's start by here. Let's put it here so that we can see what will happen when it touches our line. Let's put it here. So if it touches that line, we'll get 0.42. $0.42. So after that, you just click on this arrow, blue arrow, boom, like that. Then you will see modify. Then you modify. Boom. So now we have set it. It is there. The TP is there. So now we can set the stop loss as well. So this, you click on that cell entry, you click on SL, then you put it somewhere here, like that. So that means we are ready to lose $40 to get $42. You can see the green line says 42, 0.42, and the stop loss line, the orange line, says 0.40. So we are ready to lose $0.40 to get $0.42. So that means you have risked 0.4. You can risk even a small amount. Like you can put it here. The lower it goes, the smaller. You can see 0. Let me put it here. So here's 0.15 dollars. Okay, 0.15, you can see. So if you touch that line, that yellow line, then the trade will close automatically and the trade will stop running. So you'll be out of the trade. So that means you're only ready to lose $0.15. Okay, so I can see they cannot allow us to place it because it is too near the, yeah, now you can put it like that. Sorry, let me do it, let me put it again. 0.30. So let us risk 0.30 like that. Boom. So we have risked $0.30 to get 0.4. Okay, you can put it wherever you want. Okay, you can put it even here if you want. You can risk $2 like that, $2 to get maybe even $7, $8 like that. If you can hold that trade up to this level, you can get that $8. Okay, yeah. So let's put a good lot size. So here let's put 40. It was at 40. Okay, well, let me just cancel like that. So let's put it here. We have risked 0.20 to get 0.40. Okay, so you can see the yellow line is the stop loss and the green line is the take profit. So that means if it touches the first line to be touched, if it touches any of the lines, then the trade will close automatically. Okay, so now let's see if it will touch. We are in profit. Okay, we are in blue. So if you are in blue, that means you are in profit. That means the price is going into your direction. So let me put it near here so that it can touch quickly. Here, like that, so that you can see how it works. Okay, so we change the time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Let's see the magic. So if it touches the yellow line or the green line, the trade will close automatically. So the more it goes down, the more profit we get. The more it goes up, the more we lose. So we have to protect our account. So in this $10,000 account, we have only risked 0 point something. So let's put a good lot size. Let's put a big lot size, like 0. Okay, let's put 1 point. 1 point. Then we sell. Oh, 1.0. Sorry, it's 1.0. We sell. You can put as many trades as you want. You can also do like that, but it is not good for beginners. So you can see it is trying to hit our stop loss, guys. Okay, so now I've placed a lot of trades. I know you have come across this kind of screenshots somewhere. The gurus that always post this kind of. So you can see it has structure. Oh, it has closed. You can see the trade has been closed. You can see volatility 101S. This is the history. It has been closed. We have lost $0.22. So that means the trade has been closed. So you can see we had too many trades here, but one is closed. The one for 0.0, the one 0.2 something, yeah. Yeah, so now we are remaining with these ones. Now let's see. You can see we are at negative $2. Okay, we are at negative $2. Okay, so now we are expecting the price to go down. Okay, so if you put the stop loss and the TP, you can just sleep and leave the trade running. Then if you come back, it's either you find it at the TP or at the stop loss. Okay, yeah, but if your analysis are correct, then your trades will always hit your TP. So now this is the lesson, guys. With this one, if you place trades, make sure you protect your account by putting a stop loss. Okay, so it is always advisable to put a stop loss at least far from the entry. You can see we had put the other one here and it was hit so quickly, and now we are out of the trade. And after that, the price might even go down after taking us out. So it is always advisable to put the TP at least far from your entry to allow the markets to breathe. All right. So here we are risking $5. Okay, $5. You see, $5. Let me put it here at 5.10. Then you click on the arrow, modify. So now that is the account protection. Now you can see we are in profit. We have now made $4. And the more it goes down, the more we make profit. You can see we are now at $6, like that, like that. So the more it goes down, the more we make profit. The more it goes down, the more we make profit, guys. So you can hold this thing even for weeks, even for 1 year. Okay, if you are patient enough. So now the stop loss, we have risked $5 in one trade. That's one trade. That's a one trade stop loss. Okay, that's a one trade stop loss. Then I'll put a TP. You tap like that. Then you put it. If you can hold it up to here, you will earn $23 per trade. Okay, that's per trade. You will earn $23 per trade. Okay, you click on modify. Okay, modify. So that means you have risked $5 to get $23 per trade. So if you calculate 23 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 23 times 10, how much is that? How much is that? 23 times 10. So that's $230. That's $230. So if the price reaches at this level, if it hits our TP, we will get a profit of $230. And if you calculate the stop loss, if you calculate 5 times 10, you'll get 50. All right, so that is 50. So we have risked $50 in all the trades. We have risked $50 to get a total profit of $230. That's how it works. Okay, you risk small, you target more, right? But you can also target less if you cannot hold up to there. You can target here $6 times 10, get 60. You can target $60 there. Okay, so let's change this one and see if it hits, what will happen. So you can see it is consolidating. If it was binary options, you would have lost so many trades here, guys. Trying to sell, goes up, try sell again, it goes up, then it comes down later, sell. But with this one, you can wait for it to do this consolidation. You can wait for this consolidation to complete, wait for the market to do all this nonsense. Then at last, you will reach at the its destination, which is here. Okay, yeah. So you just need to be patient and wait for it to reach there. If you are patient enough, most people are not patient with this MT5 trading. Okay, like me as well. I'm not. I cannot hold a trade for long. I always think that hey, those people might come back. So you can see. Let me put stop loss here. I mean a TP. So here we have a TP here. Okay. So let me use a lower time frame so that it can touch. So here it is. So here we are targeting $1, 1.67. So if it touches, let's put it here like that. Okay. Here. So you'll see if it touches. Let's leave it there. So after that, remember it is only one trade that you have placed this TP. So if you want to put all the trades, if you want to put the TP in all the trades, you check the one that is having it. Yeah, this is the one having it. You copy this one. After copying that one, you come here, you paste, you modify. Okay, you just swipe. You swipe like this. You go to the pen, boom. Then you check like that. You paste. Then you modify. You swipe again. The next one. You paste. You modify. You swipe again. The next one. Paste. Like that. You swipe like that. You make sure all your trades have the TP and the stop loss. Why? To protect your profit and to protect your capital. The stop loss is to protect your capital and the TP is to protect your profit. I mean, to get your profit. So if the trade, the price hits your TP, the trade will close automatically. And if you don't put the TP, you make sure you confirm. If you don't place, like, let's leave one without and see what will happen. Like, for example, this one. Let's delete. Let's delete this one, modify. So one doesn't have a TP. So we will see what will happen. Okay. Then stop loss. Stop loss. There's one here which has a stop loss. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. I'll put the stop loss somewhere here. Let me put it down here so that it can touch the stop loss quickly. So we will lose $0.59. Oh, they have refused to. If you put it too close, they reject, like finance bid. So let's put it there. So after that, you check the one that is having that TP, oh, TP, where is it? You check, you just swipe and go to the pen, swipe and go to that pen, swipe, Penya Kalam, swipe this one. So this one is the one having stop loss. So you copy, then you paste. So you can see they are closing. They are already closing, guys. You see, they have closed that one trade. It's too close, too close. It's too close. So you can see they are about to touch. They have already touched it. And it is closed. That trade is closed. You can see one trade is closed. Okay. So that means that trade is closed. You can see it is here. It is closed with a loss of 1.02. That means if you don't put your stop loss like this now, so you can see there are no stop loss in these trades. You can see we are still losing. We are still losing. We are losing more and more and more and more. So if it continue going up, we can blow this account, guys. You can blow your account. So it is advisable to always put your stop loss. All right. So I can see they have broken the trend line. Now they're trying to go up. So you can decide to close as well. You can change your mind and close and go with them. All right. But if you believe in your analysis, you can just hold for it to come back, because it should come back if your analysis are correct. So if you put your stop loss far from your entry, then you will be safe. Like here, you'll be safe. So it can reverse from here, then it goes down, it comes back again and continue going down like you predicted. So if you place a trade, you just hold it. You hold it. But if you change your mind, you close it like this. You just long press one of them and close position. Okay, you close position like that. All right. And if you want to close all of them at once, long press and click on bulk operation down here. Boom. Then you close all. Okay, you close all of them at once like that. Then you can see I've closed the trades. Okay, After that, I can decide to buy. But this thing is, I'm sure it will drop, but let's sell again. Okay, let's sell again. Let's sell again, like that, like that, like that. Because I believe it should drop. This thing should drop, right? This thing should drop. Okay, so you can close trades anytime you want, right? Yes, I've placed too many trades right now, but this is too small for this account. They lost $15, and the account is at 9, and this is too small for the account, so I cannot load this account because I'm using the small lot size. If I use a bigger lot size like 50, I've put two trades. Now let's see. You can see. No, that's one. I've put one trade. You can see it has already deducted $47. You see, if you put a bigger lot size there, put your account at the risk. So it is always advisable to check the lot size before you place a trade. So let me close this one. I can see it is buying, guys. Let's buy. Let's buy just for demonstration, guys. Don't trade like this. Like you change your mind according to the market movement. If you are showing the analysis, you just hold. So I've placed the big lot size now. You see 50.00. Now the account is at risk, but yeah, still good. We're still good. So the more it goes up, the more we get, the more we make money. So let's try this. The video is getting long, guys. So let's try with the PC, right? So let's go to volatility. This is volatility 101S. Okay, let's go to view. You go to view market watch like this. So I think it is volatility 101S. Right click. What have I done? Let's start again. View market watch. Then symbols. So let's go to chart window. Okay. So the other thing I forgot to show is that to save the template like this one, save price action, price up, then you save. Okay, so after saving that, so now if you open any chart and it comes like this, you just click on templates, or you right click, go to templates, then you load price action, boom, and it loads the same setting in the other chart, in this chart. So now you can see the trades are running here as well. You have placed a buy with 50 lot size. Now we are expecting the price to go up. So with the PC is very easy, guys. With the PC is very easy to put a stop loss and a take profit. Just drag this line like this and put it here. Boom. Same here. I accept and boom. So you do it again. So I'm expecting the price to come here. Okay. Let me zoom out. Then stop loss, I can put it here. So you can see here I've risked $410. This is the stop loss for me to get I can target $1,500. You see, because the account is big, the account allows me. So if this market comes up to this area and if it hits my TP, I will get a profit of $1,541. And if If it hits my stop loss, I will lose $410. And remember, we have like 3 trades. So you do that times 3. So that means if it hits here, 1,500 times 3 was 445, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 4,500. Okay. So you can see we are still at negative 150. Total, that's total 3. But if you want to trade this 53, you have lost only for 50. You are at 50 loss, $50. So the more it goes, the more we get the money. The more it goes against the direction, the more we lose. Okay. So in the same, you can see the smartphone. This is a big time frame, 1 hour. So you can just, this is a 1 minute time frame. I think that's why it is confusing us here, because 1 minute time frame is always noisy. There's a lot of noise. Now let's shift to 1 hour. So you can see the same. Yeah, it's now the same. So we are targeting here, get 1,541 per trade, and we will lose 410 when it hits our stop loss. So now we are expecting the price to continue going up to get that money. So total profit will be $4,500 and above. So that's how to trade on MT5, right? So for you to place a trade with this MT5 on your PC, you go to new order here. Okay, here, new order. Then you put the lot size. Okay, so you can put the lot size 50. Okay, let's put the smaller lot size. Like for small accounts, the minimum is 0.2. Okay, if you put 1, it will not, then any will not appear. The buy and sell button will not appear, will not be activated, because it is invalid. So you put the valid stop lot size, then you buy. So with the small lot size, that small lot size, if it reaches here, you will get $6. Oh, this is a stop loss. This is a stop loss. I've placed a sell, guys. One makosa, and you close it. So you can see, you can close it anytime you want if you are thinking that there's a mistake somewhere. So let's do it again, 0.20, we buy, not sell. So if you buy here, you'll get $6. Then if it comes here, we will lose 1 point. So this is a good lot size for small accounts, okay? So if you have a small account, you can use 0.20, okay? Yeah, the account will be safe. So you can see how easy it is to place a TP or a stop loss with your PC, right? With your PC. So it's, you just drag it, just click with hold and drag. So that's how. So for you to analyze, these are the tools. Get the tools here. You can see this is a trend line, this is a horizontal line, vertical line. Okay, and if you want to get all of them, you just click on insert indicators and objects. So you go to objects and you can see all of them here. So I like using shapes, rectangle. So you put it like this. So for you to change the settings, you go to properties, put it in white, choose white, I love white, then put the lines thicker, then okay. So now you can see, now we are expecting the price to continue coming to this is a zone actually. So we believe it will break. Okay. So we have not done a proper analysis, but according to this chart, you can see the price is forming. It has formed something like a double bottom. Then you can see it failed. It is actually, this is another double bottom. Yeah, There I'm seeing it. So it has failed to go to go below this level 2 times 1 and 2. So now it will come. Yeah. But you have not done a proper analysis. So for you to do a proper analysis, you start by higher time frame. It's called a top-down analysis. You download, you analyze from the higher time frames, the lower time frames. So you can see we are at hey, this thing is dropping like something else. So the more it goes up, the more we get the money, the more we make money. So if you check here, you can see we are in profit and the market is still going into our direction. And if it does a pullback, we go straight to negative again. So you just need to hold it. You need to hold the trade until it gets into the TP. If you believe in your analysis, okay, like this one, if you could have put a sell trade here and hold it to this level, you could have made a lot of money. Same to here. If you could have placed your trade here and hold it all the way to this level, you could have made a lot of money. So the same way you need to hold it if you believe that it will reach at this level. So you hold that trade, the more it goes up, the more you make money. But it goes in the opposite direction, the more you lose. So what you need to do is to protect your account with protect your capital with a stop loss, so that if it hits this line, the trade will close automatically. Okay, the trade will close automatically. All right. So right now, if I decide to close one trade, let's close one trade with a TP so that you can see how TP works. Let me zoom. First of all, let me put one. Let me drag one TP here. Then I zoom. So let's put the TP here. So if it touches that line, then one trade will close. Just put your eyes there and see what will happen. If it touches that line, then one trade will close because I've placed one TP here. Okay. So let's wait and see. I can put it below so that it can close. Can reach. Yeah, quickly. So let's see. If it touches our TP, then the trade closes automatically. So that means your one trade will close. So let's wait and see, guys. So that's how to trade on MT5. All right. That is how to trade on MT5. So this one is not like binary options. This one, you just place your trade and hold it until it hits your TP. Okay, you can hold it from seconds to minutes to hours to days, weeks, months, years. All right. Yeah, this one you can hold as much as you want. All right. Yeah, you can hold it as long as you are patient enough. Let's drag it again because I can see a pullback. That's a warning. That's saying you are too close, man. All right. So let's wait and see. Let's wait for it to hit our TP. All right. Yeah, for an example, just for an example. Okay. But you can see what always happen when the trade when the price touches the TP line. All right. I don't know why it is running away from my TP, guys. This pullback. I don't want the video to be long. So if it hits there, we will earn $94. All right. If it hits our TP, we will earn $94. Right. Yeah. So let's wait for it. So you can close even anytime you want. Like I can decide to close this trade with this profit that we have here. I can decide to close. Okay, that's the good thing about MT5. You can open and close trades anytime you feel like. There are no limits. Like in binary options, if you place a trade, you wait for it to close. Okay, you wait for it to close. But with this one, you can close yourself. It's not a must for you to wait for it to hit the TP. Okay, Yeah, so now let's see, it's about to hit our TP. It's about to hit our TP, but you must know that the market does not go straight. It always go in a zigzag form. It goes in a zigzag pattern. You see, it is doesn't want to hit our TP. It is not ready to go up, guys. It's not ready. So you need to be patient until it hits the TP. And also, it can decide to reverse and go down without hitting that TP. So anything can happen. Okay. I don't know why they can't break that area. I don't know what's there. There is something there. There must be something there. So let's wait and see. It is taking too long. The more it takes long, the more the video is quite long. Let's hold it. So most people cannot do this on a live account. To hold it until it hit the TP, right? They'll just panic and close the trade the moment they see the price is coming down like that. You see, now we are at negative. The market has refused to hit our TP. Let's drag it down again, like saying you are too close, you are too close, you are too close. Come again. So there we'll have $87. You see, we will get $87 if it hits that TP. So the trade will close automatically. So let's hope it will reach there on time, guys. Hey, this thing is taking too long, man. It's taking too long. Oh, this is a 1 hour time frame. That is why. This is a 1 hour time frame. The more you calm down, the more you drag it down. Okay? I just wanted to hit it. I just wanted to see how the trade always close automatically. Okay. So there we go. It's about to hit our TP. There we go. There we go. And boom, it has hit our TP. Now you can see the trade has closed. One trade has closed automatically. And you can see it is here. Here. Volatility 101s by 50 lot size, $64. Okay. So that is how the TP works. And that is how also the stop loss works. Okay. So we are expecting the price to continue going up to this level. You can hold it as much as you want. You can also decide to hold it for weeks. If you are patient enough, if you want to be a millionaire, you can also hold it for days. You can see this is a daily time frame. This one candle here represents 1 day. So you can hold it for days, like let's say for 1 week. 1 week will be somewhere here. Here. 1 week. How much will you get? This is a small one. I need the bigger one, the big lot size, the big lot size. What is happening? That small lot size. I need the bigger one. The big lot size, guys. The big lot size. So the big lot size at the top. These ones. Yeah, that one. So let's go back to daily time frame. So this is the 0.50 lot size TP. So here, even here, we'll get around 12. This is 12K, guys. That is around 6 million or 1.5 million, guys. 1.5 million Kenyan shillings for 100. If you hold it for 1 week, 1, 2, 3. Those are 7 candlesticks, 7 daily candlesticks. Like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this distance, let's use this distance. This distance. You see? Let me change the color. White and thick. Okay. So this distance, yeah, is the same distance. So that's 1.5 million times 2, around 3 million guys for these two big trades, 50-50. Forget about the 0.20 for $10 account. We're talking about the 50-50. So that's around 3 million Kenyan shillings if you hold the trade for 1 week. If you are patient enough, if you hold that trade up to this level, you will get 3 million profit with the 2 trades. But if you hold this one for $10 account, you will get $50. You can see that's around $50. Yeah, $50. $50 for 1 week. Holding a trade for 1 week to get $50 with a $10 account. Guys, you need to be patient enough. That's too long for me. But if I have a big account like this one, well, even 2 weeks I can do. Even 2 weeks I can hold. I can hold for 2 weeks. Okay, yeah. So that's how the MT5 works, guys. Okay, and the market doesn't move straight. It just goes the way it wants. So you need to be patient and need to be strong emotionally and psychologically, because this thing, the way it plays with your psychology, it will not go straight the way you think. It will go and sometimes it will come back. You go and come back, you turn red, go negative. You can even remain negative for even the whole day before you decide to go into a direction. You can consolidate there, like let's say for example here. Let's say there's someone who placed a sell here, a sell trade here. You placed a sell trade here because you believe that the price will drop. Then it will just remain here like this, like this, like this. So this is a daily time frame. It consolidated here for almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 weeks. When this thing is just consolidating. So if you find yourself in a consolidation, okay, so you need to wait for it to complete and to start going. So this is for swing traders. So if you're not a swing trader, you can use lower time frame like 5 minutes. That one is easy to. That one will be easy for you to wait for, because it will take less time. So let's say, for example, this one here. If you place a trade here, let's say you sell, okay? Let's say you sell here or here. Let's say you sell here, okay? It will zoom. Let's say you sell here. So you can see it will consolidate, then you go to negative, then at last it drops. Then it comes back, drop, pull back, drop, pull back, drop. Okay, so if you put your TP somewhere here in this zone, then if it touches there, the trade will close automatically. Then if it decides to go up now, your profit is in your pockets. All right. Yeah, so you can see the price is still moving up. The price is still moving up. Yeah, so you can decide the time frame you want to, even 1 minute time frame you can use, as long as the spreads are tight here. In the range, the spreads are always tight, not like the currency pairs. So with this one, you can trade with 1 minute as well. Okay, you can place a trade here, hold it for 10 minutes or 15, boom, you get out of the market and close your profit. You can see you also have opportunities in 1 minute. You can analyze 1 minute. It's happening. So you can also trade on 1 minute, guys. Okay, you can also trade. This is a 1 minute time frame. You can see If you could have placed your trade here, you hold it up to here, then boom, you close your trades and boom, you call it a day. So it depends with your time frame as well. The time frame of your choice. It's not a must for you to hold for weeks or months or years. You can hold for even minutes, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. It depends also with the market. The market cannot just go into a direction the way you expect. Sometimes can consolidate like this one. If you sell here, it will consolidate, then at last, oh, it drops. Okay. Yeah. So you just need to be patient. All you need to do is to be patient. So it needs a lot of patience. Okay. When you trade with MT5, you need a lot of patience. Okay. I forgot to tell you about the lot size. So for you to know if the lot size is if you know for you to know the minimum lot size, guys, like I told you, if you put the invalid one here, you see this one will not be activated. Put the valid one activate. So you test like that. But I will advise all beginners to use these three. So the minimum lot size for this one is 0.001, volatility 75, and the minimum lot size for volatility 25 is not 50, which is 0.50. That's the minimum lot size, okay? 0.50. If you put below 50, let's see, 40, you see, turns red. That means it is invalid. So you need to put 50 and above, all right? Same to this one. Volatility 101S, the minimum lot size is 0.20. If you put below that, it turns red, all right? Yeah. Then you go to volatility 75. The minimum lot size is 0.0001. Okay, 001. This one has too many zeros, so you need to know that. So if you put below that, like let's say 0.1, this one you don't have, you cannot put below that one. Yeah, so that's the lowest. Okay, that's the lowest. Okay, that size. So if you have that person who have a small account, you can use these three, right? But you can use this one 0.100. I recommend I recommend volatility 101S for small accounts. Like you have seen, you can see now the account, the small lot size is now at 0.9. That means it will be very hard for you to blow your account with this lot size. So you can add more lot size if you feel like, but remember, don't over risk, because if you put more lots, the more lot size you put, the more you get your account into high risk. So the small lot size you put, your account remains safe. So now, like for example, if it could have been, if this trade could have been in the opposite direction, it would have lost 0.85 in that $10 account. Only $0.88 or almost $1 only. So if I could have placed two trades, that's almost $2. Three trades, that's almost $3. So the more lot size you put, the more profit you get, and also the more losses you get. So that's how you trade with the MT5. All right. So I hope you have learned something, guys. In case there is something I have not talked about, you can comment. You can leave a comment in the comment section and remind me so that I can talk about it maybe in another video, right? But for now, I think I've covered everything you should know as a beginner, right? Yeah, so thanks for watching this video to the end. And in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. And also don't forget to like and share this video so that it can reach many beginners who would also like to learn about MT5. So that's all guys. Let's meet in the next video.